Hello everyone, welcome to Loki Berlinski. In this video, I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of the Dhiffushi Island located in the Maldives. My family and I recently visited this beautiful local island and had an amazing time. I want to share my experience and the expenses with you all, especially if you're looking to experience the Maldives on a lower budget and still enjoy the lovely beaches with family or alone. Dhiffushi Island is a small local island in the Maldives, known for its pristine beaches and crystal clear water. It is situated about 35 kilometers from Malé Airport and can be reached in 45 minutes by speedboat. The island is about 900 plus meters long and 200 meters wide. It is a home to about 1,000 local people. They have a school, mosque, hospital, sports centers, and many grocery stores. It is important to note that Maldives is a Muslim country with its own set of cultural and religious values. Visitors are expected to respect the local customs and rules. For visitors, they have dedicated bikini beaches. Swimwear is allowed only on these areas. Alcohol and pork products are prohibited on local islands in Maldives. However, there are floating bars on the sea in case you want to have a drink. There are plenty of guest houses, hotels and villas in this island. But we stayed in a guest house called Club Carrefour, which cost us $250 for 3 nights, including breakfast for 3 of us. The Maldivian breakfast here was very tasty. Lunch and dinner was quite expensive, costing around $12 to $20 for a plate of fried rice or a burger, which was not worth it. On day 2, we came across a restaurant called The Kettle, which offered a buffet for $15 per head, and the food here was really nice. This took care of rest of our meals. The grocery stores on the island could take care of your beverages. If you still want to have a drink, you can take a short boat ride. Club Carrefour has a floating bar in the middle of the ocean that can be reached in 10 minutes by a boat ride, which costs $10 per person. On the floating bar, the beer costs $6. Hard liquor $8 to $10, cocktails $25, and the wine bottles more than $50. Alternatively, we could pay $70 and get unlimited drink for 3 hours. The best time to go to the floating bar for a drink is during the sunset, when the view is spectacular in the open Indian Ocean. Dhiffushi Island has 3 dedicated bikini beaches. One of which was our favorite, and we spent all day long here. The sea goes from shallow to deep like in a swimming pool with no big waves. The island also offers a lot of water sport activities, snorkeling and diving trips. The island was beautiful for morning walks, and I really enjoyed walking around in the mornings. To get to this island, we took a private speedboat from the airport, which cost us $250 and took 40 minutes. This service is available anytime. Returned to the airport, we took a speedboat ferry with few others, which cost $30 per person. But this leaves on scheduled timings only, and it took 45 minutes. There is also a local ferry that leaves once a day, which costs only $3 per person, and it takes 3 hours to reach Malé. As beach lovers, we found the sea here to be the best for swimming, which made our experience all more enjoyable. While the rest were not so important to us, we still had a great time exploring everything Dhiffushi had to offer. Now let me show you all more of this island. If you're planning to visit the Maldives or want to know more about Dhiffushi, please don't hesitate to contact me. I can even introduce you to my local friend Ahmed, who can take care of all your needs in Maldives, from your stay to the transfer. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with others and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to help me reach more people. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.